Welcome to 5303 FISHERSOUND Lane, a dream home located in the Mirabay resort-style community in Apollo Beach, Florida. This custom-built, one-of-a-kind floor plan by Neil Signature Homes, completed in 2021, offers a perfect blend of comfort and luxury with its 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a formal office. With 2,747 square feet of living space, this split-bedroom home boasts a giant open-concept main living area, ideal for entertaining large parties. Step inside and be greeted by expansive views of the pool area and lagoon from most angles in the home. Move-in ready and equipped with beautiful window treatments, including plantation shutters, you will enjoy the gorgeous LVP flooring that flows through the main living areas. The expansive living room features in-ceiling wired surround sound that extends to the lanai, perfect for movie nights or listening to your favorite music. The owner's suite is a true retreat with a custom closet renovation, ensuring plenty of space and organization. The primary shower is oversized and features a stylish soaking tub. Enjoy peace of mind with a whole house Generac generator and a water softener and filtration system. The oversized garage provides ample storage space, and the elegant tile roof adds a touch of sophistication to the home's exterior. The outdoor space is just as impressive, featuring a gorgeous pool and an extended lanai that enhance and allow you to fully enjoy the waterfront views. With over 60 feet of water frontage, you can fish from your own backyard and watch the exotic birds and wildlife that call Mirabay home. Although the property is not dockable, the one-of-a-kind serene views of the Mirabay Lagoon are truly spectacular. This home is better than new, with updated window treatments and custom lighting on the front, landscaping and pool screening, making your evenings magical. The upgraded landscaping adds to the beauty of this home. Located on a cul-de-sac with a landscaped common area next door, this home offers privacy and a peaceful environment. Watch gorgeous sunsets from the front of the home every night and enjoy being close to the beaches. This Florida dream home is a must-see. Mirabay features a resort-style clubhouse, which offers a variety of amenities, including a recreation center, heated pool, water slide, spa, gym, playgrounds, cafe, lounge, pickleball, tennis, and basketball courts. Residents also have access to kayaks, sailboats, and paddle boards. In addition to the resort-style amenities, this home is also conveniently located near downtown Tampa, MacDill AFB Street, Petersburg, Sarasota, and the Gulf beaches. This move-in ready home is sure to impress.